Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, remote trunk release, FWD, tire pressure monitor. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, pass-through rear seat, passenger airbag. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.